If you are one of the biggest live streaming creators, you most likely live in Austin, Texas. Or LA. For some strange reason, most of the live streaming world lives in Austin, Texas. If you saw my last YouTube video where I was talking about soda popping, you can check it out right here. In that video, I was talking about how soda popping was changing a bunch of stuff on the platform, like IRL, just chatting, all of that stuff that we have today. Soda has probably done something first. And my theory for why everyone is in Austin, Texas is because Soda brought Nick, his best friend, over to Austin to live together. And that started that trend. And of course, we have Asmongold, he also lives in Austin. But I believe that because of all of the Twitch streamers started to live in Austin and people started to collaborate and do different stuff together.
We do not have to do that. That is so unnecessary. Bro, you put fucking Minecraft dirt in my hair. Is this like some sick joke? Wait, my dad just texted me. He said, in my next life, I want sons.
No, he didn't.
And of course, a really important factor is that you don't have to pay income tax in Austin. It's not that pricey to live in Austin compared to LA. So my theory is that everyone started to move to Austin one by one, and after a while they started to collaborate together, be on each other's stream, and it turned into a stream local group. And now we have this huge streaming friend group, and everyone is basically good friends. They live relatively close to each other, so it's easy to make content.
He hung out with Belle Delphine way too much.
It was only 1 week. 1 week with Belle Delphine will do wonders for your soul.
And of course, I need to mention OTK. And because of OTK, they were able to bring all of those streamers into OTK. Those streamers have friends already. Everyone are around the members of OTK, because even though the people are not in OTK, if they are just hanging around one of the streamers that are in OTK, they will most likely see a bump in the viewership. And also, like Miskiff and SFan have really huge houses, so they have just opened their house to gather all of the streamers. It's a really good social thing, and I think it's actually really fun for them to be around each other when they are offline, when they are hanging out in the mall and doing different stuff. If they are hanging out when they are offline, we don't know.
Thanks. It's nice and sturdy too.
This is really good.
That's what I'm saying. It's not bad, right?
Yeah.
I need to know if you can sit on it stably.
Okay.
So just take a little seat. You know?
Hey, this is really impressive.
Should I?
Oh, Jesus!
So I believe it was just random that Soda Poppin lived in Austin, Texas, but of course with all of the good things as income tax and the really cheap house situation made it worth it to move to Austin, Texas.
All right.
I think it's good to know how to protect yourself.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I do. I just go like this. See how fast that was?
That was really
That's an elbow to the face.
Yeah.
If a motherfucker gets too close, I'm just like, listen, bro, I don't want. And they're like, what did you do to me? What did you do? And I go, and they're like, Sear, stop! Sear, stop! And then I wake up. I'm 8 years old. I'm late to school. My mom's yelling at me. Nintendo 64. You know?
And yes, I know, there are a bunch of streamers in LA like Ludwig, Cutie Cinderella, Hassan Habib, XQC, all of Offline TV, Valkyrie, Pokemon. I don't even know half of the streamers that lives in LA. Every huge celebrity lives in LA. If you are in Hollywood, if you do something else, a big business, whatever, you live in LA. And actually, another reason why Austin is the capital of Twitch is because I don't think there are any YouTube live streamers living in Austin. All of them are living in LA.
Decisions have made me who I am. And this is my decision.
So yeah, that was something I just had in my mind. I just had to let you guys know that I believe that Austin, Texas is the capital of Twitch because everyone is literally there and it feels like it started in Austin. But yeah, that was just my little funny theory. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, it's really important. And you can check out some of the other videos that I made on Soda Poppin or OTK, NMP, LOL, Ludwig, whatever. It's all there. And I will see you guys in the next one. Esbjorn, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.